Most people think when I feel confident, then I'll launch. But in reality, confidence is just evidence that you can handle things, and evidence only comes from action. Post the first video, launch the first product, make the first offer. You'll be awkward at first. That's not failure. That's proof that you're learning. The Bulletproof Motivation Digital Kit is built to keep you moving when you self-doubt kicks in so you don't quit 3 steps before your breakthrough. Build confidence by doing, not waiting. Grab Bulletproof Motivation and fuel your next move.